It is Bobby Two Pops Breaks on Sunday. It is September the 8th. We are breaking a Gold Rush 16 by 20 multi-sport photos. It's a 2-box break. Last 2 boxes in our case. 5 and 8 is the numbers. We did pick a name, get 3 via random on the left. We've already randomized the extra names, alphabetized the customers. Gave them a couple extra minutes to trade. Nothing going down, no. So here we go. Alright guys, here we go. Well, bam! I had a feeling we were gonna see one Pittsburgh guys there. Gonna be the O'Neal Cruz. Different photo again this time of them. O'Neal Cruz. Wow, man. Bit of an odd case for us here. Alright, who the hell's got him? Where the fuck is he on my list here, man? Oh, there he is. Wow, gonna be a D-Gen. Well, D-Gen, that's gonna give you 2 of them. Bam. I know you hit one the other day. Yeah, was that 2 O'Neal Cruzes for the case? Was that 2 O'Neal Cruzes in this case? Hang on, I'm gonna have to check that because yeah, I don't remember which case that was. Alright guys, last one. I'm hoping for a big hit for you. Been a bit of an odd case. Bam! Wow, man, that's a bit of a letdown. Very cool photo, but just not a monster for us, guys. I don't know. I watched some cases last night, and I didn't think that they were bad. We just got a bit of an odd one here. Gonna be Micah Ruzioni. Miracle on Ice photo, folks. JSA certification and card with that. Wow, man, bit of a letdown of case there, I guess, man. Like I said, I watched a few breaks of these and didn't seem too bad. So I don't know, man. Alright, but where's a Ruzioni? Well, that one's going to Pat on that one. Alright guys, call out your keeps if you want to keep for the fresh case there, folks. But that is going to wrap up that case, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby 2 Pops of Bricks.